In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the cookies bar in an Odoo website. This is a quick setting, but it's an important one, especially if you want your website visitors to be informed about cookie usage in a clear and professional way. The cookies bar helps display a notice on your site, which can improve transparency and support privacy compliance depending on how your website is set up. To begin, open your Odoo dashboard and click on the Settings app. This is where Odoo keeps many of the main configuration options for your database, including website-related preferences. If you manage multiple features from the back end, this is usually the best place to start when you need to make a global change like this. Once you're inside Settings, look over to the left-hand pane and go to the Website category. This section contains the main options that affect how your website behaves and how certain features appear to visitors. If you don't immediately see everything, just scroll a little until you find the correct area. After that, go to the Tracking and SEO section. This is where Odoo groups together settings related to analytics, visibility, and certain visitor-facing notices. In this section, look for the option labeled Cookies Bar. When you find it, simply check the box to enable it. Checking this option tells Odoo to activate the cookies notification bar on your website. This is useful if you want users to be notified about cookie usage as they browse. It's a small change, but it can make your site look more complete and aligned with common website standards. Once the box is checked, click Save at the top left of the page. This is an important final step because the change will not be applied until you save the settings. After saving, the cookies bar should be enabled on your website. And that's it. The process is very simple. Go into Settings, open the Website category, find the Tracking and SEO section, enable the cookies bar option, and save your changes. If you want to confirm everything worked correctly, you can open your website in a new browser tab and check whether the cookies notice appears. That way you can quickly verify the update from a visitor's point of view. That's all for this video.